Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about the RSI strategy which I had sent a previous video on, but I did check the results and I was trying to make it better. So what I realized was that firstly I was leaving a lot of points in the market, right? Basically I wanted to increase my target, so I have increased the target to 2% now, and I also wanted to get quick exits. So I have reduced my stop loss to 0.25%. So basically, I'll tell you the strategy again. It's a normal strategy on RSI, on Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame. Let me actually do it. Yeah. So basically, I will add the normal RSI, and what I'll do is once the RSI crosses from top to below, but I will not use 70. I'm going to use 55. So once it crosses from top to below 55, I'm going to take a selling trade. So I'm going to take a selling trade which will come here. So this is my selling trade which is here. Let me just mark it. And for the buying trade, it should go from below 40 to above 40, so somewhere here, right? So this will be my entry, a buying entry or a selling entry. Once I've taken the entry, I want to put a small stop loss. So my stop loss is 0.25% in Bank Nifty, and I'm keeping a 2% target. So I have a very good risk to reward of 1:8 in this case, and I have tested this strategy on a 5-minute time frame. So let's check out the results, how the results are on the Excel. So these are the results of the strategy. So essentially what I'm showing you here is about 5 years of data from 2019. I've got the entry price, entry time and entry price here. I've got the Bollinger Band. So as you can see, this is the previous Bollinger Band, which was not Bollinger Band, sorry, this is RSI. So previous RSI and the current RSI. So it has gone from less than 40 to more than 40. So I'm going for a buying trade. I've calculated my stop loss and my target and the final exit price. And this is the total P&L that I've got in this trade. So I've just created a dashboard. I've assumed a 0.01% slippage also. And with a 1 lakh rupees capital for one lot, you can see that my ROI comes to about 64%, but it has a very big drawdown of 60%, right? So overall the strategy is just about okay, but you can see there are a lot of months with big drawdowns, and the total PNL is fine. So the total PNL for the last 5 years is about 19,000 points. But as you can see, the Calma ratio is not that good, right? The Calma ratio is only 1. So that's because my ROI is okay, but my drawdown is pretty big, right? And my winning percentage is low here, which is 30%. I have a very high losing ratio, and that's because I'm keeping a very small stop loss. And as you can see, I have 28 loser trades, right? So consecutive 28 loser trades. That means it's very hard to trade from a psychology perspective. So what I did was that I also tested the same strategy as an option selling strategy. Essentially, when I'm getting a buying trade, I'm shorting a put, and when I'm getting a sell trade, I'm shorting a call at the money I'm doing current week at the money. And this is how the results look, right? So I've kept 1% slippage, which is more than decent. And you can see that there is definitely improvement now. My ROI is 46%, but my drawdown has reduced drastically to 16%. So my Calmar has improved to 2.74, which is actually pretty decent. My winning percentage has increased from 30 to 35%. Why we are getting a better percentage? Because I'm getting the benefit of theta decay, and my consecutive losers have come down. So from 24 to 28, it has come down to 17. But still, there are 17 losers that can happen, right? So this is a big issue, I would say. This is the only issue perhaps, because my number of days in the DD is 2 months, which is again it was 112 sorry 112 days in futures, but it's 2 months in options, right? So overall the strategy is performing pretty good, I would say. It's going pretty good in options. We can probably try to optimize it a little better, but on a 5-minute time frame with these rules, I think the strategy is performing decently well. Thank you.